Maybe some of you are currently working on a paper assignment, where the paper is required to display a watermark. However, on certain pages, the watermark must be removed. Well, maybe you are confused about how to remove it. To remove the watermark on a certain page in Word, the method is very easy, and you have to watch this tutorial until the end to find out the answer. Because to remove one of the watermarks on a certain page in Word, there is no setting, so we will outsmart it using shapes. Okay, friends, go straight to the Insert menu, then select Shapes. Select the desired shape. Here I choose a round shape. Click on the round shape and make it cover all parts of this watermark. Then go to the Shape Format menu. Then Shape Fill, to change the color of this circle, to white. Then we also remove the outline of this circle. To remove it, friends, go to Shape Outline, then select No Outline. Well, this is half done, friends. Then we make this round shape in the position behind the writing. The way, my friends, go back to the Shape Format menu. Then, my friends, select Wrap Text and select Behind Text. How about it, my friends? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends. See you in the next video.